Hi Judy, this is Angie from Integrity Car Sales and Rentals in Sydney. This is the car you're looking at, stock number 1184. I've got Nigel here who's going to help us go through the vehicle. Okay, Nigel's going to open up the front door for you. So it's Toyota Hiace, short wheelbase. Here's this is the step up. There's a grab rail here and another one here. This is to the front. It's got Apple CarPlay there. You can use your Android on that as well for Google Maps and all that stuff. Okay, you want to open up the front, middle. So the middle has a step that comes out to enable people to step up and into it. And here are the seats. All the seats have covers on them. So it seats 3 there in the middle. I'm going to get Nigel. No, so Nigel's 5'10", and he's sitting in there like that. There you go. So it's quite snug, but it depends, I guess, on the people who will be getting into it. As to whether that's going to suit them or not. And he's getting into the rear now, and that's also quite snug. So here's the rooftop for him. How's that, Nigel?
Very comfortable. Very
Excellent.
comfortable.
Excellent. That's what we want to hear. Okay, so come on out.
And we also have the seat at the back here.
Yes.
Sitting next to the person in the wheelchair.
Yeah, we've got
So
another
the carer
seat
can
there.
sit here directly beside.
Yeah. Thanks, Nigel. Okay, fantastic. The other thing I want to say is that there are grab rails, as you can see, everywhere, which is good. But also this seat here, if needed, can be taken out. You see the bolts below? There's just 6 bolts underneath that, and that can be taken out and put back in fairly easily. So if you didn't need those 2 seats in the back, and if you wanted to put people's walkers in it, you could do it that way. Okay, now Nigel started the car.
At the back here.
To open up the back. Here we go. You can do this with the car on or with the car off, it's fine either way. And I'm just going to show you the wheelchair accessible part.
Control.
So it's a lift coming out. The lift is limited to 250 kilograms, so you don't want a support worker standing on it as it goes back in, so it's just the person in the wheelchair only.
Certified points.
These the Australian points, which lock the wheelchair in place. And the seat belts, there's 2 seat belts, 1 lap belt and 1 shoulder strap. Okay. So that's it coming out, this is it going back in. It's pretty easy to use. And that's it. Once it's in fully, then it double beeps to tell you that it's in the right position. And that's about it. Give me a call if you have any questions at all. Thank you, bye.